Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a Lloyds Bank customer looking to get your online banking up and running in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through a complete, step-by-step guide on how to activate your Lloyds online banking. This is super handy because it lets you manage your accounts, pay bills, and track your finances from anywhere, saving you time and effort. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're eligible. You'll need a Lloyds bank account, and it's best to have your debit card, account details, and a mobile phone handy for verification. Start by visiting the Lloyds Bank website or downloading the Lloyds Bank app from your phone's app store. Once you're there, look for the Register or Activate Online Banking option. It's usually front and center on the homepage. Next, enter your personal details like your date of birth, account number, and sort code. Don't worry, everything is encrypted for security. After that, you'll get a verification code sent to your registered mobile or email. Enter it promptly to confirm your identity. This step is crucial to keep your account safe from fraud. Now, create a strong password and set up any additional security features, like a memorable word or biometric login if available. Once that's done, you're all set. Log into your new online banking dashboard and explore features like viewing balances, transferring money, or setting up alerts. One quick tip. Always log out after each session and keep your device updated to protect your info. There you have it. That's how you activate Lloyds online banking in 2025. If you run into any issues, check the bank's help section or contact support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. See you next time.